Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning to everyone, childrens. Welcome to the science class. The continuity of food and health. Childrens, in the last class we learned about the non-communicable diseases and the deficiency disorders causes by lack of vitamins. And we also learned about the symptoms of those disorders. And to prevent that one, which sources of food we need to take in our daily food, that also we learned in the last class. In this class, we are going to get information about the communicable diseases. Communicable diseases spread from one person to another. They are caused by tiny living things called microbes or microorganisms. They are also called as germs. Some disease causing germs are bacteria, protozoa, viruses. These are the disease causing germs or microorganisms. Bacteria. Bacteria are very small organisms with different shapes. Some bacteria are rod shaped, some are twisted, and others 8 round. Diseases like meningitis, typhoid, and cholera are caused by bacteria. Protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled microorganisms. Diseases like malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Viruses. Viruses are the smallest microorganisms. Diseases like common cold, influenza, measles, and rabies are caused by viruses. How communicable diseases spread and prevented? Communicable diseases spread through air, water, food, insects, and through direct contact. Through air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes, or spits, germs are released into the air. When a healthy person breathes this air, germs enter his or her body and make him sick. Therefore, we should always cover our nose and mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Diseases like common cold, flu, and tuberculosis spread through air. Through direct contact. When a healthy person comes in contact with a sick person or his handkerchief, towel, clothes, etc., he can get infected by the germs. Diseases like measles, chickenpox, and ringworms spread through the direct contact. Through infected food and water. Sometimes food and water may get infected with germs if they are not stored or handled properly. Flies and cockroaches can contaminate our food with germs. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and polio spread through infected food and water. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing. through insects. Diseases like malaria, dengue, plague, and chikungunya spread through blood-sucking insects like mosquitoes, bugs, and flies. Malaria is caused by a protozoan that is carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites someone with malaria, the germs are sucked up with the blood. When these mosquitoes bite a healthy person, the germs are injected into the healthy person's blood, causing malaria. Dengue is spread by the bite of Aedes mosquitoes. Plague is spread by the bite of fleas carried by rats. Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented by good hygiene and vaccination. Hygiene may be defined as practices that ensure cleanliness and good health. Following are some steps to maintain good hygiene. Wash your hands before and after eating food, after going to the toilet with soap and water. Do not allow the water to stand in ditches, vessels, coolers, pots, etc. in or around your house. The stagnant of water allows breeding of mosquitoes. Use mosquito net or mosquito repellent at night. Wash fruits and vegetables well before cooking or eating them. Food must be kept covered to prevent flies sitting on it. Do not allow heap of garbage to collect near your home. Dustbins should be kept covered. Drink clean water. Water can be made clean and germs-free by boiling, filtering, and chlorinating. Vaccination. Vaccination is another way of preventing communicable diseases. Vaccines are available to prevent diseases like polio, cholera, diphtheria, tetanus, and hepatitis. Vaccination helps our body to acquire immunity against certain diseases.